Understanding smoke alarm, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, smoke alarm. It's a common term you might encounter in everyday life, especially when talking about safety in homes or buildings. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also improve your awareness of safety equipment. Let's dive in. Smoke alarm is a compound noun made up of two words, smoke and alarm. Smoke. This refers to the visible vapor that is produced when a substance burns. It's often associated with fire. Alarm. This is a warning sound or device that alerts people to potential danger. When combined, smoke alarm refers to a device that detects smoke and alerts people of potential fires. Smoke alarms are crucial for safety in buildings. They provide an early warning of fire, allowing people to evacuate safely. Understanding this term is important not just for language learning, but also for personal safety and emergency awareness. To help you understand better, let's see how smoke alarm is used in sentences. We installed a smoke alarm in every room for safety. The smoke alarm went off when I was cooking. Notice how the phrase is commonly used to refer to safety measures or incidents involving fire. Sometimes, you might hear variations like fire alarm or smoke detector. While they are related, they have slightly different meanings. Fire alarm generally alerts to the presence of fire, not just smoke. Smoke detector specifically refers to the component that detects smoke, which is part of a smoke alarm system. I hope this video helps you understand the term smoke alarm better. Remember, it's not just a phrase for language learning, but a crucial part of safety knowledge. Stay safe and keep learning.